grid control. So I will show you basic detail of the grid. This is the link in Microsoft. You can search in the Google. Right. Your first link will be very useful. So here is the basic. So this is grid having rows and column. So this is row, okay, and this is column, okay. This is column span and this is row span. So the properties are for column it will be the columns and column span to define the column span, and there is row span. This is row span to define the row span, okay. Today we are going to learn only basic. The in advance we will learn in future video. So for adding grid control we have to use a grid tag, and for adding a row and a column column we have to add a row definition. How many rows you want, you have to define the row definition by giving the height, okay. 2 star means 20%, star means 100%. This is 100 means fixed size, okay. Then here is a column. For you can define column by using the column definition property, okay. So let's begin with demo. I will remove this. I am adding 3 row by using auto, and I am adding box view. Background color is equal to black, okay. Here I have to give row value, so I'm using grid dot row is equal to 0 means first row, and it will be the second row, it will be the third row, okay. I'm using here gray and here green. See, this is auto means it will take by default value. Here I'm using vertical option is equal to, see, if I have used by default vertical option will be fill and expand, so it will take a full width, okay. But I have set vertical option as start, so it will take a auto means by default value of this size. So a row will always use a height, so here I am assigning height, okay. So if I want equally divided this page of the height, I will use star. So he has taken a full height of the rows. So and I want this first row to be of 20%, this rows to be of 50%, this rows to be rest of the height. So I'm writing here 2 star means 20%, okay. 5 star means 50%, and rest of the is, so this is 20%, this is 50%, and the rest of the height will be this, okay. Now I want to add a column. Okay, so I will write here column definition as a, I'm taking three column. Okay, uh, so by default it will take a first column, as I am not assigning your column value here. So by default it will take a first column, but assigning the column is good practice, so please assign column. This is 0. Okay, so here is first column. I'm adding another box view for this. mm, Column 1. See, I will change the color. See, so this is star. Okay, so it is equally divided for the three column. I'm adding another three column box. Okay, the column value will be the 2 because for the third value. See, you can see here all is defined. So but now I want this and this should be merged. I want this should be merged. Okay, so for this I will do a row span because I want to merge these two. So what I will do, this is second column, so we will go to the second column and remove this one. Okay, and set 0 means I want to start from 0, and row span is equal to 2. So grid dot row span is equal to 2. So he has taken full row. Okay, now I want these three to be merged. Okay, this will be the column span. So what I will do, I will consider this row. This will be the third row. Okay, means we have to do a column span. Okay, so what I will do, I will remove this this column, this column. Okay, because I want to expand this column, so I will take a first column and assign from where I want to column span. I want to column span from the first column, so I'm using this grid dot column is equal to 0, and grid dot column span is equal to number of column span. So this is column span, this is, so this grid is ready. Okay, this is very simple, just we have to understand the logic how to use row and column and the row span column span, otherwise it is very easy. Okay, uh, you can I will so I will give you an assignment to design a column, uh, but don't copy, try with your so you can create this design. Okay, don't use this spelling, just use box view and add a color, same color. Okay, uh, will share you this link. Please don't copy this code, just try this by using the images, or you can just take a screenshot from here and save in the PC, and just try without seeing the code, so you will know how much you have understand. Okay, and please let me know in the comment if you are successful by creating this grid. Okay, thank you for watching and subscribe my channel. Thank you.